After a long while, I found the house where they shot the farmhouse scene. You can see the trees right here where he walked up past.
No through road sure is awful long.
Big Bird would have walked up the grass right there.
Maybe they'll invite me to dinner.
Okay, we are here in Toadstool for the parade, but we were actually in Georgetown, Ontario. This is the first shot that you see. It's kind of sunny. Hopefully you can see it. But you can see that door at the side there where Big Bird comes up the street there. Big Bird then comes into the middle of the road here and he sees the parade coming towards him. He's looking down. You can see that house in the background, that big white house. And then he looks down here and sees this, the big parade scene. Another good shot here. All the kids would be lined up. You can see how the brick and the windows match up to the store. Now it's a Curves by Jenny Craig. This here is where Miss Finch almost got Big Bird. They just went in a circle around other people in the parade. You could see the variety in the back. The signs changed, but the variety part is still the same. I know that this is the alley because you can't barely make it out, but that's the ML. Standing back here, how the camera was, you can see that ML right there. You know it is the same alley because you can see the door right there. This is the final scene of the parade when they see Big Bird and he turns down that corner there.
Step on it, Oscar! He's getting away!
Well, I wasn't watching. Which way?
You went to the left!
So this is it right here. Toadstool Annual Parade.